wecancity, we are passionate about helping businesses create stunning visuals and videos that stand out in the market. Our motion graphics and post-production services are designed to elevate your brand and make it shine. Our team of motion graphics experts and post-production specialists are skilled in creating engaging animations, explainer videos, promotional videos, and more. We use the latest tools and techniques to bring your ideas to life and create videos that are not only visually stunning, but also effectively communicate your message to your target audience. In addition to motion graphics services, we also offer post-production services that can help you take your videos to the next level. Our post-production services include video editing, color correction, audio mixing, and more. We work closely with our clients to ensure that the final product exceeds their expectations and meets their specific needs. At wecancity, we understand that visuals are a crucial aspect of any business's success. And that's why we focus on creating videos that are both beautiful and functional. Our motion graphics and post-production services can help you take your visual content to the next level, making your brand stand out in the market and driving engagement with your target audience. So why settle for mediocre visuals and videos when you can have stunning, high-quality ones that will elevate your brand and make it stand out in the market? Partner with wecancity and experience the power of motion graphics and post-production services that will help your business thrive and stay ahead of the competition. Contact us today to learn more about how our motion graphics and post-production services can help you create visually stunning and effective videos that will take your brand to the next level. wecancity, beyond the ability.